Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Our lecture series regarding trigonometry, chapter 8, exercise 8.2 is continued. Now we are on question 7. So, hope you are understanding all the question. So, in case of any problem, you can just ask anything. Okay. So, this now the first part, this question, it seems to be very important. So, I just advise to all the students. So, please focus on this question in a good way so its question is about this rewrite in terms of expression containing only cosine to the power 1. We have to take power 1. Okay, we have to move this question towards the power 1. So let me write some formulas. Okay, so the first half angle basically formula of sine. Okay, that is I already told that how this formula came. So let me write sine square alpha that will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 2. Okay, and the next is cos square alpha that must be equal to 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2. Yes, so you have to learn these formula. If you don't want to learn, I already told that our lectures, I will just put the lectures in one lecture of learning about these formulas. Okay, trigonometry formula for all. I will tell, inshallah, you will find. But for this purpose, for this question, you will see from here. Okay, you can see from here. Just put the formula here because we have to take this formula. What's the use of this formula? Remove the square. This, look at this side, left side there is square, but on the right side there is no square. Yes, so basically this formula in our daily life we will use to just solve the question because we have a very big value if there is a square. So just this formula we will use to just, you can say that, short out the square or make it a simple form. This formula just make the question in simple form. Integration we will use in derivation in next grade. Okay, you will find out that. So now just we will put the values of all these things, that will be 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 2 on the next cos square alpha, that will be 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2. Okay, so when you see this in a proper way, the only difference is for this formula a minus b and a plus b. So that gonna be a square minus b square. Okay. So let me write here 1 square minus cos square 2 alpha by, so 2 times that gonna be 4. It's a simple way. Okay, but here 1 square is already there. So let us take something about that as we have to remove all the square. So I just put out that 4 as it is in the denominator. So that gonna be 1 minus cos square 2 alpha. Now we have to put the value of cos square 2 alpha. Look here, we have cos square alpha. We don't have cos square 2 alpha. Let us make in the, so here, if there is alpha, there will be 2 alpha. So let me write here, if there will be 2 alpha, so what gonna be here? 1 plus cos 4 alpha. Here will be 4 alpha over 2. Yes. Here if it will be 10 alpha, let me write one more example for you. Let if there will be cos square 10 alpha. So that gonna be 1 plus cos 2 times, okay? 2 times. So that gonna be 20 alpha, okay, by 2. Clear? So alpha, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, 4 alpha, 10 alpha, 20 alpha, like this, 2 times of like this, okay? So hope you understand. If someone give you cos square 100 alpha, so don't say like this that I don't know. You can solve like this. You can tell any formula like this. So just after we will just put the value here. 1 minus cos square 2 alpha, that will be 1 plus cos 4 alpha. Okay, like this by 2. Clear? So after that we will take the LCM here. like this. Okay, let me write the LCM here. I will write from here 1 by 4. Okay, and then 2 will become down. So here will be uh, 2 1 time 2 like this, and this minus will change all the signs. So be careful. If you don't know the thing, you will just put the bracket like this. If you don't want to do directly, mostly question do the mistake of the negative. If okay, negative sign, they forget to change negative sign. So I just advise to put the bracket just after the negative sign. Okay. So on the next step, you will open the bracket. So let me change one thing more here. Let me write here. So for 2 time here will be 8. Just I put 8 outside, and now I will just open the bracket. 2 minus 1 minus cos 4 alpha. Okay. So that's gonna be 1 minus cos 4 alpha. Okay, you can just put out here, no problem. Here by 1 by 8, or if you want to write here down, no problem. You can write down here 1 minus cos 4 alpha by 8. Look, there is no square. Now the square has removed, so that's gonna be answer. So I hope you understand this question. So in a very clear way, but if you have any question regarding this, you can ask directly on the comment section.